Hey everyone, Wake Angel 2001, and I did not expect this to come so soon. I swear this is entirely coincidental, but I got another box today. It is from eBay. I did buy something from eBay for myself, so I'm pretty sure this isn't something sent in to be customized. Well, maybe it is, but, you know, like, not a customer commissioning me. Oh, and there was another firecracker. A lot of people... I got some comments on the last video I posted, like, what were those explosions in the background? Like, fireworks. It's July, dudes. In fact, as of this recording, it's 10 o'clock on July 3rd, so, like, pretty darn close to July 4th. Look at that, I was able to peel the tape off. It's another Ellen Ripley. This probably came from Fanatic Mitchell. He said that he ordered them from different sellers, and he tried to cancel one of them when he got two from the other. So, is this? Let's see, who's this from? It's of course being shipped to me. MMID. It's sent from the shipping department of Sen Industries. Yeah, so another Ellen Ripley. What am I gonna do with her? Alright, so I don't remember buying another one of these things for myself, so and Fanatic Mitchell is the only one that I know of who is sending me anything, so yeah, I'm guessing this might be from him, or it might be from someone else. I really have no idea. So, I think Fanatic Mitchell said that the other person would have been sending it through UPS, not USPS, so this might not be Fanatic Mitchell's. Somebody sent me an Ellen Ripley figure, and I don't know who. That's why it's important that you watch these videos, so that you can remind me who you are in the comments, because I genuinely have no idea. No bloody idea whatsoever. Alright, since it's only been one day, I don't have a lot of stuff to preview. I guess I can show you guys the test print for Whisper the Wolf. Yeah. I don't know, that, like, because the white light is kind of getting oversaturated. I mean, doesn't have any kind of painted detail in. I think I have to guesstimate on what size to print the heads, because, you know, like, it's not like I can measure it out. Maybe if it was a... Yeah, it's hard. It's like, it's hard to just measure Sonic's head, because he has spines that go everywhere. Like, do I measure the cheekbones? Do I measure the face? Do I measure the outer edges of the ears? So, yeah. Seems to be about the right size. Also, technique-wise, I came up with an interesting little technique. When you print figureheads, the 3D printer can scar it, especially right where it touches the build plate. Printing it right side up completely, like, leaves a bunch of crap on the muzzle. Like, it looks like they have a pixelated beard, and it's really hard. You gotta cut it off. Usually you have to sculpt over it to smooth it out. So for the Rouge figure, I've been trying printing it lying on the back of the head, so that the face comes out nice and clean. But then oftentimes the back has a lot of issues, and you gotta sand and sculpt and cover a lot of things. So with Whisper, I tried a new trick. Well, technically I started with Rough and Tumble, and then I saw some success, so I tried it again. Tilting the head back just a little bit, like this. So that way the back of the head is still clean, and the muzzle is lifted up off the build plate, so that comes out clean too. The only part that's marred by the sculpt is this little tiny bit in the bottom, and that's not a big deal because you drill into that for the neck hole anyway. So I think I'm going to see if I can use this on other characters. I'm not sure if it'll be as good for Rouge because she has hair points back there. Although Whisper has a couple of hair points too, so it just might work. I'm not completely sure. But, you know, that's for future Angel to worry about. Thank you all for watching this quick unboxing video, and I'm going to sign off.